Press it again?
Yep. You gotta press the arrow.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Cool. And then you can go back, push the back arrow. There you go. And if you want to send another message, same thing. Put start, chat, and then just scroll up and down of whose name you want to send. So you can like send a message to Nikki.
Okay.
So look for Nikki's name.
Right there.
Mm-hmm. And then you see the little pencil?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Oh, shoot. Wrong one. Sorry. Hold on. Let's back. Back one more. Okay. Just instead of going to the end, just tap on the whole name.
Okay.
Try that. There it goes. And then text her, you know, this is Mark, or this is my new number, or something.
This is...
You gotta make sure you put spaces, Mark.
Oh.
Okay, so since you had it all, you know, together, you see right here where it says this is Mark, like it tries to fix what you're trying to say. Yeah.
Oh.
Oops. That's all right. That's okay. It's okay. Okay, and then send it. SMS. Send. That. Yeah.
Return the sender.
Yep. See? That's how you do it. That's how you send a message. Is that pretty cool?
Why does it say conversation with Nikki Daniel now?
Because you just sent her a message. Okay. So when she responds back, then that's considered a conversation.
Okay.
Do you know what I mean?
I think I have to charge it again, right?
You're like at, say like at 80, 70%. Yeah, like 70%. Or 60, yeah, something like that. If you want to charge it, you can. You can put it on the charger. And then that's it.
Okay.
So, yeah, that's it with the messages. And then push the circle for the home screen. And then to make phone calls, you just push the telephone handle. There you go. See? And you can either type it in, or you can like let's say you want to call mom. Just spell out mom, which is 666. See? And it pops up.
Okay.
Or if you want to, like, let's say
655.
Or what's 655?
Her number.
That, yeah, you can too, yeah.
You see if it does it? Yeah, it goes to it.
Okay, yeah. Or like, let's say you don't know Nikki's number. So type in Nikki, N, which is a 6.
N.
I.
CK, right?
Yeah. Did it pop up?
It did. It did pop up.
Right there, Nikki, but with the Y. See? And then you just tap right there on her name, and bam, it's calling. But we can hang up. We can just hang up. See? Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
All right.